My name is Sean Scurrow. I'm the VP of Finance and Accounting for One Table Restaurant Brands. We manage and operate 46 restaurants, both brands, one being Tender Greens, the other one being Tocaya, primarily based in California, and 4 restaurants of the 46 in the state of Arizona. Sage Intacct has allowed us to has really allowed us to improve our business on different levels. The ability to automate and really integrate and make things more efficient has really helped my team. I mean, we were able to, with our most recent consolidation of 2 organizations, we eliminated an entire outsourced accounting function, saving close to $300,000, and we didn't grow our team at all. We were able to also make our close process much quicker. We were able to make it more accurate, more efficient. Obviously, having real-time data, one of the things that was great was during COVID, my boss said, hey, these restaurants, can we remove them from the report? Can we create COVID reporting? Can we do this? And literally within 10, 20 minutes, I had a bunch of COVID reports ready, set to go to help our business in real time. And I kind of laughed about it. I said, thank God for Sage Intacct. I literally said to my boss at the time, and I said, what you asked me to do, if I was still in Excel creating these reports, I don't know how long it would have taken me. I was like, at least a week or so, not to mention the amount of errors that may have transpired when building those reports. I mean, the restaurant industry was hit so hard by COVID, and so being able to have that information at our fingertips really helped us to pivot and understand what was going on within our data. The idea behind automation is to eliminate the repetitious non-value tasks and really create more meaningful roles for the people in the teams. And it's constantly evolving, and it's a thing of beauty. And even after I implement something, much like technology, I was like, there's got to be a better way to do this. And so I'm constantly thinking that way. And Sage Intacct, I think, thinks that same way. And so the synergies is great, or they are great, I should say. We grew from 17 to 31 restaurants and reduced overhead by 20%. And that includes systems costs as well. And our team and what we deal with on a daily basis went from, I would say, fairly simplistic to a lot more complex and complicated, and we were able to do so really quick. And it wasn't about eliminating jobs. There was some natural attrition. It was more about how do we put our people in better places to help this organization make good decisions and or be more productive and move things along quicker.